So you're trying to quickly sort out some tax admin on the HMRC website, and instead of the PDF form you need just opening in your browser, you get hit with this message saying, please wait, then it followed by a demand asking you to download Adobe Reader to view the PDF. But not anymore. I have a fix for this, and I'm going to show you how to do this in your video so the PDF opens in Chrome. It's so annoying that HMRC tries to force you to install clunky proprietary software on your computer just so you can do your basic tax admin. Having to download extra software just to view a single PDF document slows everything down, it creates a headache, and then you've got the constant updates you've got to deal with, and it's just, frankly, a complete waste of your time. So here's the good news. You don't need to download Adobe to view these PDFs anymore. The reason this happens is because HMRC uses an older PDF format called XFA. Modern browsers like Chrome have their own built-in PDF viewers, but by default, they aren't set up to read XFA files. But you can fix this permanently in just under about a minute directly from within Chrome. So here's the exact fix you need to follow. Open Google Chrome and in the address bar at the top, type this in exactly: chrome://flags/#PDF-XFA-forms and hit enter. And here's a little secret with that address. If your team or you aren't using Chrome, you're using maybe Edge or Brave instead, just swap the word Chrome out for Edge or Brave at the start of that address, hit enter, and it'll work exactly the same way. On the page that loads, look for the PDF XFA support service. Should be highlighted right at the top of the screen. To the right of it, you'll see a drop-down box. Change that from default to enabled, and then click the prompt that appears telling you to relaunch Chrome. That's it, sorted. Now any HMRC PDF form you click on will open flawlessly right there in Chrome. There's no extra downloads required. So tweaking one hidden setting completely bypasses a daily IT frustration, and that's exactly the kind of thing we do it here at Kimberley IT for our clients. So if you're a business owner who is tired of chaotic IT slowing your team down and you just want to have your tech organized and work smoothly, just give me a call, give me a shout. Let's talk. Click the link in the description below to book a free video call with me. We can chat about your specific IT setup and how Kimberley IT can get your business running without all those tech headaches that you're struggling with. In the meantime, get that PDF setting changed and you'll see me in the next video.